Hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. This is Muhammad Noor Naimi from Dennis Fennery Association. We start our day by the prayer on the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Allah Ta'ala said, وَمَا تُنْفِقُونَ مِنْ شَيْءٍ فَهُوَ يُخْلِفُهُ وَهُوَ خَيْرُ الرَّازِقِينَ. We and Jigsaw team are distributing food packs to the needed families in the north of Syria. We do our best to reach the needed people wherever they are, so we offer service to the poorest families. Our humanity obliges us to stand beside them and help them with all our efforts. And this is part of the approach of our Islamic religion. We thank all donors and our brothers and Jigsaw Charity. May Allah accept from you and reward you all the best. Jigsaw Charity, Jigsaw team, I love you for the sake of Allah. Wassalamu alaikum.